How you doing, folks? This is Ross Customs. Today we're checking out very nice 56 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop, done in its factory Matador Red and Adobe beige. It's the way the car come out of the factory with this color combination. Got all new bumpers, hood bar, all the chrome on this car is gorgeous. Car was restored several years ago. Car looks real good down the side. Does have a couple small paint flaws. It's a real nice driver quality car. Got all new taillight housings and taillights. Rear bumpers all been redone. All the emblems and stuff have all been replaced. Just a nice little 56, great cruiser. Got a set of American Racing 15-inch torque thrust wheels on it. It's got a 350 aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, electronic ignition, updated with electric 2-speed wipers, aluminum radiator. Can't bear with us, sun keeps coming and going today. Got the factory ram horn exhausts, manifolds, and the duals out the back. It's got sagging off 4-speed trans. Interior looks real good on the car. Dash is all pretty nice. Headliner's real nice and tight. All the seat covers real nice. Door panels. So I really like all the trim on these 56s. Very, very nice. The trunk is nice and solid in the car. You can see in the pictures we have the mat pulled up. Got the original radiator. Was really nothing wrong with it, but they updated it to aluminum. All the glass is in good shape in the car. Windows all rolled down real nice. Dash all looks good. All the trim on the dash is real nice. It's got the Daytona carpet. And a little bee flying around us. Thing fires right up. It's just a real good little cruiser. Something you can drive and enjoy. It's a good solid car underneath. All the turn signals and stuff all working. It's just a real nice cruiser. Good solid car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. great day, folks.